Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Santa Barbara Zoomcast. I'm Joe Parker and I've got Kathy and Fred of Celebration Cruises right here in Santa Barbara. They're operating a fleet of boats, all different sizes for all different types of occasions right here in the Santa Barbara Harbor. And we're going to learn more about what they're offering because it's really cool and I'm really excited to hear more about their business. So Kathy and Fred, welcome. Nice to see you both this morning. How are you doing?
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, excellent. So, Celebration Cruises, tell me a little bit more about the business and what you guys are offering us here in Santa Barbara and all our visitors.
So we have 3 boats. Our largest vessel, Azure Seas, is a 70-foot multi-level yacht, has indoor-outdoor seating and a full bar on board. And we do coastal cruises, sunset cruises, and happy hour cruises, as well as private charters for people.
Nice.
And then the next one is Little Toot the Water Taxi. Toot toot.
Been on that many times.
Most people have.
Yeah.
Between Stearns Wharf and the harbor every half hour. And then our newest boat, Whisper, is the most, I don't know, what would you call it?
Ecologically best.
Yeah.
It's all electric.
It's all electric.
Cool.
So we were really excited about that one. And so you can have up to 6 passengers on that one, and it would just be the 6 of you. Don't have anybody else on board. It's a private charter, indoor outdoor seating on that little boat. And then we just partnered with another company and we're doing parasailing off of Stearns Wharf. So we're very excited about that.
Yeah, what an adventure that would be, huh?
Yeah.
And what a view too, getting up high, looking along the coast. I mean, it's already amazing. Like people that don't get on the water very often, the view of Santa Barbara from the water is stunning. I mean, it's really incredible. And I couldn't imagine being up in a parasailing situation. Would be pretty awesome.
Yeah. Be able to see sea lions and whales and dolphins from the air is amazing.
Maybe even a shark nowadays, huh?
Maybe.
Have either of you done it yet?
He won't go with me, so I'm waiting until my grandson comes at the end of the month, and then I'm gonna go. I'm very excited about it. I can't wait.
Yeah. Well, you know what I love about your business is the variety of options you give. I mean, from the Little Toot, which is a great little water experience that anyone can afford to do, right? And then you've got these other options that are really, the thing about being on the water is it's really special. It makes you feel great. And some people are really attracted to it, but owning a boat is no joke. That is one expensive hobby. And why invest in that and commit yourself to that when you can have these wonderful day trips where you get all the joys and benefits of it, but it's really just, not the super commitment to owning a boat. So I really appreciate that part of your guys' business. And I also noticed in your websites that you've got some amazing opportunities for like a group of 6 to get out on the water starting at about $100. Is that right?
Yeah, that's on Whisper.
Whisper, yeah. We only carry 6 passengers.
Yeah.
You bring your own food and your own beverage. And it's just your small group. There's nobody else on the boat. It's quiet. And you have music in the background that you can plug into with your related. And so everybody has a good time.
Yeah,
it's our newest boat too. It's only 3 years old.
3 years, I was very comfortable inside and clean.
That's great. I mean, everyone's always racking their brains about how to celebrate a special occasion. We got birthdays, anniversaries, graduations. These poor kids, they just got really gypped of all their wonderful graduation celebrations. I mean, we did ours super late and just had a few people get together and social distance. It just felt weird, but like choosing something like this for one of those occasions would be a really, I think, out of the box, memorable way to celebrate a special occasion. So I hope everyone, whenever these special occasions in life come around, put Celebration Cruises into the queue of things that could potentially be chosen to really show that special someone in your life a wonderful day that they'll never forget. And the pictures you're going to get from being off the coast in Santa Barbara are going to be pretty special. So I think all of that is really, really awesome. Well, it's been great getting to know more about what you guys are doing. What I'll do is make sure everybody could find out more, put your website on here. And I invite everybody out there that loves the water but doesn't own a boat and wants to get out there more often. consider this, make it a memorable day, and get out on the water using Celebration Cruises fleets, from the big one to the little one and everything in between. And maybe even if you've got that adventure spirit, a little parasailing, which I think I might have to break off and do myself. I've done it in Mexico, but never here in Santa Barbara. So I'm definitely putting it on the list.
Very different experience here than in Mexico. Mexico could be a little sketchy.
Oh, I won't share my experience, but yeah, you're right. It can be. Well, Kathy, Fred, thank you again for being on the Zoomcast. It's been a pleasure, and I will see you in the harbor.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.